Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the IPsec VPN, one of the most widely used technology for the securing data over the internet. So how? Let's see. Like this is my ISP, and there will be one router here and one router here, and this is the ISP. Okay. So talk about here ISP, then it's connected by here and by here. So this is the India site A, and here also USA site A, B. Okay, so it's visible now.
Yes, visible.
Okay, so and it will be ISP cloud, ISP cloud. So this is the ISP cloud. So what we will do actually, we talk about the IPsec VPN. So here is IPsec VPN. This is the IPsec VPN. So what is IPsec VPN? So IPsec VPN stand for the Internet Protocol. Like if we have
Your
configure
screen is
here
not
IPsec
visible.
VPN and here.
Your screen is
So
not visible.
screen is not visible.
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Now it is visible.
Now it's visible.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell
Okay.
me.
So if we talk about the IPsec VPN, so IPsec VPN stands for the Internet Protocol Security. So it will be provide the security over the internet privately. Like here, if we talk here, then this is like this is my ISP. I have take a internet line from this here in USA. Also, I have take here ISP internet from uh, ISP there in India side. So this is the India and here USA. If we talk about the how can data travel via internet to securing our data to US site. So that's why we are just using IPsec VPN. So IPsec VPN, what does like IPsec VPN have three stages. Three stages. One is the IKE phase and phase two, and another is the data transfer. So if we have configure, so one what will be when it will be IKE 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 phase 1 it will be establish what? It will be establish internet key exchange. So if we talk about internet how will be secure our packet data, so IPsec using MD5 authentications, and there is a confidentially and integrity authentication and anti-reply protection. So anti-reply protection, so there will be have a mode. So mode will be like two modes. So two modes: transport mode and another is tunnel mode. So tunnel mode is commonly widely used in side to side VPNs.
Okay.
So if we talk about like encapsulation, so there is for AES, DES, and 3DES. So it will be this will be only for confidentially. This will be integrity. Integrity what will be? AES, integrity will hashing. So integrity will be like that. So integrity, hashing, SA, and MD5. Authentication, authentication will be pre-shared. Pre-shared key or RSA. And talk about your anti-reply. So anti-reply protection, what then? It will be sequence or number. Windows. So there will be like we have a mode. If we talk about mode, so mode will be transport. Transport may payload and payload of the IP packet. And another is you can say end-to-end host or communication. It is the one, and there will be two. Tunnel mode. So tunnel mode what does? Tunnel mode does entire IP packet. Entire IP packet payload and header also. New IP here also new IP header. Side to side VPNs. So this is the mode where we can get the transport mode and tunnel mode in the IPsec VPN. Another you can see what does it will be. So IPsec talk about the IPsec protocol. So protocols, what does there is a AH. One is AH, which provide integrity. It will provide integrity और क्या प्रोवाइड करवाता है? एंड it will provide authentication also.
Security.
Authentication. Okay.
Hmm.
So use less secure. And what about second one? ESP. ESP, which can say is it for the tunnel mode. So tunnel mode is a widely used for all VPNs in real world. Real world IPsec we using ESP in tunnel mode. So ESP, so it's provide encryption. Okay, encryption. So encryption means integrity, anti-reply also. So there is a protocol type two. There is a one is AH and ESP. AH authentication header. AH means authentication header. ESP means encapsulating secure payload. Okay.
Oh,
So this is used for the real world tunnel mode. Mostly common they use for tunnel mode. Okay, tunnel mode. After then I will just configure the tunnel mode and how it is work and how it is built sending the packet. Everything we can see in the lab.
mhm.
Okay. And if we say talk about the framework, so like if we talk about the framework, if talk about the IPsec framework, so what will so IPsec framework IKE. IKE stand for लिखने की जरूरत है या फिर ऐसे ही समझ जाओगे आप लोग? I can
Yeah,
write it or you can understand. I can speak like that. So one is the IKE. IKE means Internet Key Exchange. IKE is a Internet Key Exchange. Okay, and one of the another is ISA KMP. So it's for Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol. Okay,
okay.
and the third is SA. SA, what is stand for SA? SA is Security Association. So IKE, if we talk about here, if we talk about here, IKE is the Internet Key Exchange. What is that? It negotiate the message key, and ICMP, Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol. What does? It's framework for the authentication and key exchange. Okay, and SA what does is the security association. So it will be provide the agreement between two peer definition security parameter one SA per direction per traffic flow. How? If like okay, so we can see if like when here here to here connection, when we just need to exchanging the traffic over the internet over the IPsec VPN. So SS security provide agreement between this peer here to here. Okay, and if talk about here like we have a, quick summary for ESP HA protocol encryption hashing and lifetime and proxy ID. So it will be I will just show you in lab when I we are just configuring in lab, then we can see there's some of the peer link public how can configure ensure a UDP packet is open or not, like that we can see in the lab. Okay, so now you are understand how we just IPsec how it work. So it work like a there is a public internet. It is a public internet. Here also public internet. Over this internet, we can configure the IPsec VPN for the securing our private data. So what does IPsec VPN? It's a, there is a two mode. One is the transport mode and tunnel mode. Okay, it will be provide the integrity, authentication, anti-reply protection, and transport is the payload of IP packets. Okay, and communication end-to-end host. And tunnel mode is entire IP payload header and new IP header also side-to-side VPNs. If we talk about like there is a our US or India, we have a both side is internet connectivity from the ISP. Okay, so we have okay we I will just go for the genus to understand. So now it's visible, screen visible.
Yes.
This one is my one router. I will take one router also and was as per scenario where have we configuring. Okay, so here to here. So talk about this is our ISP. Okay, or cloud. Okay, this side will be US side A, and here also if we talk about side B, India. Okay, so this is my here is my side India, here is a US. So okay, so this is what does I have a lease line connection or internet connection, then they are provide 100.0.0.1/30. Okay, so here is /30 and here is also /32. Okay, now you got it. If like point to point we have ISP2 US side point to point is, so what will be, one is the 100.0.0.1, another is the 100.0.0.2, and same like this also. We talk about here also, sorry. So here we take 200.0.0.1/30. Okay, and here will be 2 2, there will be 2, and this is my LAN network. LAN network will be loop back. I will configure the loop back 192.168.1.1/24, and here we have configure as a LAN network 20.1. Okay, so this is the different network, right? 1.1 and 20.1 is the different networks. So over the internet, when we have sending the packet, so how we configure the IP segment? First, we configure the IP address on this interface. So okay. So we will configure here in point to point this IP and this IP for in this interface, and for router to fast Ethernet 1/0 is the this IP 100.0.0.1, and for the router 3 fast Ethernet 1/0 I will configure 100.0.0.2. Okay, so okay, so here we can little bit. Now it's visible.
Yeah, visible.
Okay, so I am in router one. Router one is configure terminal. Sorry, configure terminal host name R1. This is R1. What belong? India. India side B. Okay. So this is the India side B. I configure internet fast interface fast internet 0/0. Okay. IP address will be 200.0.0.1. 1 or 2. 252. No shutdown. Okay. 200.0.0.1, and we go for the router 2, configure IP address, host name R2. It's the ISP, internet service provider,
Hmm.
right?
Right.
So internet service provider fast internet interface fast internet 0/0 belong to where? Is 2 hertz R1 for India side, right? So we can configure IP address here. Okay, no set. And we did not do any routing, because in ISP what does, only they will provide the internet. They did not do your routing in your end. The default route they are providing only for the default route. So same this one, I have configured interface fast internet 1/0 IP address 100.0.0.1 255.255.255.252. It's for /30. So /30 we have a 2 host. Okay. So now I have configure R2. So R2 I have a configure only the IP address on interface which is belong to hertz US and to hertz India. Okay. And I did not do any routing. So I will just quit router 2. Now we have a comes picture in the R2 and R3. Why? Because we just need to side VPN. So configure terminal. Okay, just change the host name. Host name is the R3. R3 belong from US. Side B. Side B or side A? Side A. Okay. Interface fast internet 100.0.0.2. Fast internet 1/0 IP address 100.0.0.2. No shutdown. Okay. Only I can configure the default route to hertz ISP. So default route what does? It will be provide the point to point connectivity. So now I can see the can ping happen to R2 India can reach internet only internet connectivity we provide. So I say 200.0.01. Okay, pinging. 2 also pinging. Okay. And now here I can ping 100.0.0.1. It's pinging. And 2 it's pinging. So now here to here connectivity via internet is happen. Right.
Right.
So now we are configuring. We need to configure the IPsec VPN securing our data. So IPsec VPN, I mean router one in India, side India. So I configure IPsec VPN. So there will be use the crypto ICAM policy. So policy, we have defined the policy and encryption. Yes. So 256. Okay. It's an algorithm. And authentication, if we talk about authentication, it's pre-shared key. And one more things need to define a group. You need to define a group. So I have defined the group 2. So you can see that there is a group range also available like this, like that. Okay. So you can configure accordingly. So group 2 lifetime I will okay 30 303 second. It is like you can see there is a range also. Say this range is second for 60 second to 86,400. Okay. So now I just define the crypto and scamp. What need to do? We need to define the key. So key is CCNA and address is what address will be? Address will be configured here the endpoint which is the 100.0.0.2. Okay. And again we define the crypto IPsec. What we define, we just configure a transform. So transform set, then I said okay, my name is Arif and MD5. And what does there is a ESP for the tunnel. So ESP AES 256 algorithm is 256. You can configure like that. You can see here is a you can accordingly you can take. So I just configuring this one. So 256. Okay. 256 again ESP SH HMAC. Okay. Now it's mode. We say mode. It is tunnel mode. So there is a mode. Okay. Mode will be tunnel. Okay. And again configuring crypto IPsec. We just need to profile. So crypto IPsec profile. So what profile will do? Say you just need to match these criteria. So profile what does you can say any word, anything you can take password also you can take anything group number you can take any group but you need to match these parameters. So profile I will say profile will be CCNP. Okay. So profile will be CCNP and set transform set. So transform set what exactly my name. I have a configure already. You can see here this one, right? So it's set the transformer my name. You can take anything, any name you can take it, but you when you transport set, then it will be under the transport name. Okay. So now it's configuring, and then I just need to create a interface tunnel. So interface tunnel one IP address. So tunnel, you can choose accordingly tunnel as per your requirement. So I'm just using tunnel will be say 121.0.0 sorry 121.0.0.1, and I take a selection 255.25 can select or you can say 255.255.255.0. So I have 254 host. Okay, so I have configured tunnel and IP address and tunnel source. So source will be to here. This one I'm configuring the router one here in India, and source will be my source is fast 0/0 can interface also. You can see here. You can see more things here. Interface you can choose the IP address. I'm choosing the IP address. Two. And one more thing, the source I have defined the source. What about the destination? So destination also defined. What will be destination? Destination will be site US is the internet IP address they will provide. So 100.0.0.2. It's a destination. Source is destination. And I can configure a tunnel protection also. IPsec. IPsec. IPsec profile. So what profile I have done? Here you can see I have to create a profile. Profile CNP. Password is CCNA, and there is a turn mode. Okay. Transport my name and then ESP. This is the profile. Okay. So profile will be CCNP. Okay. So now here we have completely. So IP interface. So tunnel is up. Tunnel is up. And when we just need here also define the tunnel IP. Tunnel IP 191.0.0.1/24. And here also again set tunnel is less 24 is there, tunnel IP is 2. So this is a tunnel. Okay. So when I say so crypto show run sec. So you can see there is a tunnel mode. Crypto is my profile. It's just CCNP and transform name is Arif and tunnel protection profile CCNP. Okay. So same here we also configure terminal crypto IC camp policy 10. What is a profile is damage incomplete until has match integrity statement. Okay, it's give you warning. So encryption So one sec. So there is a profile is we have configured. We just need to policy first configure, not in profile. So no crypto. Crypto CMP policy 10. NCR encryption AES 256 and authentication appreciate, and will be define the group we have two, and the lifetime we said 30 sorry 30 and here also this will be no. So I see key, we just define the key CCNA address 200.0.0.2 here. The destination will be address, okay? And then we can crypto transport set Arif HMD5 256, okay? So ASP, what will be SHS? So we can see here ESP SH MAC is about the transport. Okay, and then mode tunnel. Crypto IPsec IPsec profile, okay, CCNP, okay, there's the ISP CCNP set transport, okay. So now I just need to configure the tunnel interface, tunnel 1 IP address. What will be IP address? So here is a 121, okay, 121.0.0.2 255.255.0, and IP and tunnel source, okay, tunnel source. So tunnel source is 100.0.0.2, and tunnel destination, what will be destination? 200.0.0.2 destination 200.0.0.2. Okay, now define the tunnel, and now we have protect our tunnel also. So tunnel protection IPsec, so profile CCNP. Okay, now we can say, so IceCamp, so crypto IceCamp SA. So this is the, you say only here is the only single tunnel. Okay, and here we can say IPsec. 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 So you can see here packet is 00. Did you see? There is a packet is 00. So I have configure IPsec and packet is 00. But if I say ping, what will be ping? I will ping the tunnel. Tunnel will be 121.0.0.1. This is tunnel from tunnel IP from my India site. Then it will ping. And now when you say IPsec SA, so packet will be sent 5, right?
Right.
So there is, if there like some of issue in our tunnel or some of the issue in authentication, so packet will be still 00. There it not sent. Okay, and now we just need to communicate our network. This one, okay, I just configure interface loopback 0. IP address will be 92.168.1.1.25.5.5.0. No such. Okay, and I have configured. Okay, now configuring router EIGRP 100. No auto summary. Network tunnel 0.0.0 255.255.0 and network 192.168.1.1.0 255.255.255.0. Okay, so if I ping here 192.168.1.1, so it will ping or not? Mayur, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Yeah, it's ping or not?
Yeah, it is ping.
How can you ping? It will be not ping because we just need to define routing between our
Yeah.
network also. So there is, you said it's not pinging. Success rate is 0. So now we just configure router EIGRP 100 network 121.0.0.0 no auto summary, no auto summary, and network 192.168.20.0 255.255.255.0. So I believe now we can ping.
It is ping. Yes.
So ping 192.168.1.1. Now its
Yes, it's
success rate
pinging.
is 100.
100.
So if you say so, router, so IP AGRP neighbor. So this is the tunnel. It's established between US to India here.
India.
So all traffic will be goes through the our private tunnels. If like a LAN is to talk about, I say ping and you can say show crypto. So crypto scam policy. So you need to check the policy, what policy is defined. Okay. So here is everything you can check. Lifetime year limit, everything you can check. And if say transport tunnel, IPsec transport set. So here also it negotiating. So these parameters just need to check both sides it's a match. If did not match, it will be like okay. So if we say configure do show run sec. So this is parameter. We just need That one is the parameter. Key exchange and your group policy. These need to define. Okay. We have IP check, debug, ICMP. So if we talk about here, we can say ping. So you can say. So echo reply you can check also enable the debugging. So source and destination, everything. There is a send and it will be reply. Okay. And so crypto IPsec essay. So a packet also there is. You can see here. This is the local address. This is the remote address. Okay. Current peer port packet, how many packet it's exchanging. These are verified, encrypted, decrypted, and you. This is the also you can check the parameters and MTU size. This one also. Everything you need to check. Status is active, and one more thing. Camp. Essay. Now it's established and active. And if you check, packet size is increasing. Packet size is increasing every time. When you send the packet, there will be increased. Okay. So, do you have any doubt?
No, currently no.
Okay. So I will send you the configuration and topology also, so that you can understand how can where I have configured which parameters need to everything you can check. And once you doing the while doing the lab, let me know where you are stuck. No issue. I will just help you.
Okay.
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 So this is the GNS. You can use packet tracer also as well. So your like your laptop is not capable for the GNS. So you can use the packet tracer. It's from the Cisco. You can download the Cisco from the Cisco website, and it is free and easy to install.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So configure in packet tracer, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
So see you in the next video, and the next video will be start for the IP address, because last week due to holiday we are postpone the classes, right?
Right.
So we will just next video we will next session we will just provide the IP addressing first, because subnetting is the most important network.